Welcome to the third part of how to professionally design your Wix website. In this part, we're gonna design our header, the header and the footer of our website. So, here you have the header. And, okay, so here you have the header. Okay, you add some text and some simple menu there. No, it's not like that. The header is not that. The header needs to be professional. So, the first thing that we're gonna add to the header, this is very important, is a strip, a classic strip right here. And then here I have the header. And I kind of stretch the header. And then I'm gonna put that header there. Now, if you don't want a strip, you still have to put it. Well, you don't need to put it, but I recommend you. And if you want to, you can even make the strip invisible just by clicking right here, going to settings, and putting the opacity and the color down there to 0. As we see, it's totally invisible. In this case, I'm just gonna put the header like this, right, or like that. So as we see, we have that header there. Need to attach it, really attach it to the header. And now, with a title that will be, we add the logo of your company. I'm just gonna put the random thing, the name or the name of your company or website, whatever. And I'm just gonna put the random thing, just gonna put the EggWebTut. Wait, for some reason I can't write on it. I'm just, wait a second. Yeah. Save. Okay, save it. As we see, we have it here. Okay, now I'm gonna really edit it because for some reason there wasn't working. And I'm gonna put it right there to the middle. But that will really be like the logo or just the name, whatever. Now we can add right here, if you want, this box there. Then just put it a little bit more there, and then the box, put it like this. And then you're gonna add a menu. But it's not any menu. It's not this menu like that. You leave it like that. No, it's not that. You need to design your menu. So I'm just gonna put that like that there. And you design it very quickly. And as we see, we have here the menu design how you wanted to design it, right? Now we're gonna design the footer. We're gonna stretch it right down there to our footer. Click move to footer. And then this EggWebTut thing, we're gonna put a little bit more like that. And then a little bit more like that. Then that we're gonna delete it. And now what we're gonna add is usually a contacting. Like there. Like this. Contact. Let's just a contacting there. So email EggWebTut@gmail.com. Just put there your email and your phone, right? You can put it if you want. And okay, now I'm gonna add here like a social bar. Then you're gonna put the layout of the social bar. It can be horizontal or vertical. So if we put it horizontal, then okay, put it right here in the footer. I'm just gonna put it. And well, I was saying, so if you put a second. If you put it horizontal, I recommend you to put it on the floor. But if you put it vertical, I recommend you to just do this. You're gonna put, just add it there, or this there, anywhere there. And okay, vertical. And like put it right there. And then, or wherever, yeah. And then, I'm just gonna pin to a screen, right? So, as you see in all the website, you have this like that there. And you can put it in both too. And well, bye, this was all the video.